Single attached na 10,800 monthly through Pag-ibig Financing. Dito lang yan sa Santo Tomas City, Batangas. Silipin natin ang sample expansion ng model house na ito na may lot area na 58.5 square meter at floor area na 44.5 square meter. At kung mapapansin nyo, extended na ang kitchen area dito sa side. Ito naman ang common toilet and bath na kasama upon turnover at ang service area na converted into another room. Silipin naman natin dito sa second floor. Ito naman ang additional toilet and bath. Nilagyan na rin ng family area at 3 bedrooms. Ito ang first bedroom or ang master's bedroom. Ito naman ang second bedroom. At ito naman ang third bedroom. Kaya kung interested ka dito sa aming project, please message us here on our Facebook page.